This one keep it to modulation down, and the frequency keep it to 2.5 gigahertz. Then I am going to take a line. This is nothing but the microstrip line. This will be my reference. So when you connect here properly, then use another cable and you connect it this side. Then you give it to the detector. If you give it to the detector, this is my reference. So when I say reference for correct, so whenever you are starting a new experiment, right, you have to take the reference. So what I have done here, I have kept here to 1 and here it is correct. I think it is 0.9. So 0.9 into 1. This is my reference. So I will type it properly and make sure that you got the reference. Now if you want, I can vary the frequency and show you. So try to keep the frequency to 2.5. I have set my reference approximately to 0.9 volts. Now I will remove this. Microstrip line I am going to remove. Then I am going for the first experiment called power divider. You can see power divider. So I have connected here. I have connected here. Then this is nothing but the detector that you have got. So I have connected the here detector. Right? I am measuring the output at output here right? I am connecting here. So when this is my port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 1 I have given the input, right? Port 2 I am taking the output, port 3 I am blocking. So output will be 10 log of V2 by V1. V1 is 0.9 fixed. So V2 if you measure properly, right, it is approximately 0.4. So output will be 10 log of 0.4 divided by 0.9. Then I will make a note of it and I will remove this part now. Then I will remove this. Then I will go for this connection. I block this and I will come and connect this one to here. So when I connect it, now if you observe properly, if you observe the properly output, output is almost 0.4. Output is almost 0.4. So 10 log of 0.4 divided by 0.9 is my output. Then remove this. Remove this, and this also you can remove. Now what I am going to do, see your intention, whichever port you want you can give the input. This port or this port you want to give, you give it, but this one you block it. What is my reference? 0.9 is my reference. I am giving the input here and I will take the output, right? So I have given the input and I am this one, alright, I have got the output here. Now if you observe properly, right, output will be very less. Then you can calculate 10 log or reference is fixed and it is 10 log of, right, V3 by V2 will be the output. Then you can go for the further calculations. Thank you.